Hi, Professor Wheeler. I'm Kai. Here is my CNS 94 and 67 final project. In the final project, I'm going to analyze Tesla's financial performance from different perspectives, such as comparable company analysis, historical data analytics with dashboard, and a project selection module with Excel solver, and new data entry with VBA codes will be presented as well. As we know, Tesla is one of the most innovative and controversial companies in the world. It's a technology company and independent automaker offering electric cars and autonomous car. And all the data of my project comes from XBRL to Excel.com and downloading multiple annual report for analyze. Alright, so let's take a look at comparable company analysis first. And as we know, Tesla, GM, Ford are the three largest US automaker by market capitalization. Regarding the profitability, Tesla performed poorly and have the lowest net profit margin last year, which is over negative 60%. The reason is that Tesla is a rapid growth technology company and can concentrate on its driverless car, therefore burning a lot of cash. While Ford and GM are traditional automakers who have been in business for over 100 years and focus on maximizing their returns. And moreover, Tesla fell short on scale. For example, Tesla only made less than 100,000 vehicles at its single factory in California last year, where GM and Ford both sold over 10 million cars, and we can see different scale for their revenues as well. Regarding the R&D, Tesla's R&D intensity is over 11%, which sets it apart from traditional automaker, roughly twice as high as its competitor. When it comes to liquidity ratios, I found that Tesla has the lowest current ratios at 0.6, which indicates that it may have a hard time paying for its current liabilities in the short runs. With 50%, over 50% of current assets is cash, Tesla has a highest cash ratio, but it doesn't make too much sense here. Alright, in addition to peer comparison, I built a dashboard with 4 charts to explore the historical data. Top right, profitability ratios, we can see although its revenue kept going up every year, Tesla still kept losing money. The net profit margin have never been positive. Obviously, it's not sustainable unless Tesla reverses this trend. It's reported that the cost of producing a battery of electric car will decline below 20% in 2020 as the company produces more cars and completes the construction of another factory. Top right, the chart shows Tesla is pretty popular. The sales match up with its production. In fact, Tesla is popular. We can see people are lining up for purchase. The only problem is that the company can make enough of car. Even though Tesla set up an additional production line in 2018, we can see a little bit going up here, but it's still unable to hit its production targets. Bottom left, the charts illustrate Tesla's relentless focus on R&D. Tesla kept plowing cash back to R&D, averaging 20% of its revenue on it, which is really amazing. Bottom right, the line chart shows the liquidity of Tesla was declining the past 5 years. Maybe it's time for Tesla to build the liquidity cushion. Alright, and for adding new data for further analysis, I created a new data entry by using Excel macros. A user can just input the data and then click the button. And now I already make up some data for 2018, so let's have a try. Just add finance data and view finance data. We can see that it automatically populates as a new record in the correspondence sheet. Alright, let's add sales data. View sales data. And moreover, our dashboard get automatically updated. We can see the data of 2018 we input just now. And I also create visual basic menus in multiple sheets, which is user friendly and can navigate user in a complicated workbook. My VBA code attached it in this file. As an innovative company with crazy idea, Tesla probably have lots of potential projects to invest, but the reality is that resource is always limited, such as capital. Therefore, I bring the module into my workbook for project selection. The criteria for choosing projects is the maximized net present value. As we can see, all 4 projects have positive net present value. We would like to take them all. However, each project have capital requirements, and our constraint is the capital available from year 1 to year 4 is limited. So we need to design whether a specific project should be invested by setting them up as binary variables. 1 means to invest, 0 means not. So let me activate Excel solver. Alright, I already set up the objects and the changing variable here. And the first constraint is to stack changing variable as binary variables. The second constraint is capital requirement for each project for 1 year should be lower than the capital available in that years. Okay, so let's click solve. So here we got the maximized net present values with 3 or 4 out of 4 projects selected. And the answer report with rich information is available for reference as well. Alright, so that's all for my final project. Thank you so much for watching.